Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate the Jagged crown. Start by progressing through the Jagged crown quest until you're at the very end. You'll need a loyal follower for this trick, so make sure they're with you. The key is to find the chest where the crown is stored. This method allows you to obtain 2 copies of this powerful artifact, one for you and one for your companion, enhancing your adventures significantly. Once you've found the crown in the chest, grab it and immediately transfer it to your follower's inventory. Then, swiftly exit the dungeon. The crucial part is to leave before the quest registers that you've taken the crown. Upon re-entering, you'll discover a second Jagged crown waiting for you in the very same chest, ready for your collection. Now that you have 2 Jagged crowns, equip one onto your character. Then, instruct your follower to equip the second crown. This allows both you and your companion to benefit from its impressive stats and enchantments. Imagine the combined power. This simple trick doubles your legendary headwear, making your duo a formidable force in any encounter. The primary benefit is doubling the crown's armor rating and enchantments, significantly boosting your defensive capabilities. This duplication method has proven consistent across many game updates, ensuring its reliability. With 2 Jagged crowns, you and your follower will experience a substantial increase in combat effectiveness, making even the toughest foes more manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.